Find the best coffee makers at Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 12 best coffee makers on the market. 12. Black & Decker Drip Coffee Maker 5-Cup Coffee Maker. Introducing a stellar combination of a unique capacity and an impressive design, Black & Decker Coffee Drip Maker is one of the best products on the market. Its 5-cup capacity makes it quite convenient for a small family, while its compact design gives it an excellently attractive look. 11. Braun Drip Coffee Maker, KF7150BK Brew Sense. If you like your coffee flavored, you can trust Braun to give your favorite flavor. A purely flavored brewing machine, you can never be wrong about this drip coffee maker. In fact, it guarantees a consistent provision of your favorite flavors from the first to the last drop. Technivorm Moccamaster Drip Coffee Makers. Moccamaster is yet another regular drip coffee in the market. Its stainless steel thermal carafe gives it an outstanding strength, while its manual drip stop basket gives mess-free operation. Its unique copper heating element is designed to switch off when brewing is complete automatically. 9. Bonavita Drip Coffee Makers, BB1800 SS 8-Cup Original Coffee Brewer. Personally, I have been using Bonavita for quite some time. And yes, I must admit that its performance is top-notch. Its one-touch brew operation gives you the opportunity to get your coffee prepared without having to stick around conveniently. 8. Mr. Coffee Best Drip Coffee Maker 4-Cup Switch Coffee Maker. Mr. Coffee 4-Cup Switch Coffee Maker has a dual water window that allows visibility as you fill. The removable filter basket makes cleanup easy and fast. The stain resistance warming plate is also easy to clean. The on and off indicator light helps you when your coffee maker is ready to use or off. 7. Black & Decker Drip Coffee Makers 12-Cup Programmable Coffee Maker. The coffee maker of Black & Decker has a quick-touch programming. The programming allows a 24 auto brew feature to wake up to a fresh, sweet, tasty coffee. The Black & Decker type of coffee maker has digital controls. The digital controls with soft touch buttons ensure intuitive operation and programming. 6. Hamilton Beach 46205 12-Cup Programmable Best Drip Coffee Makers. Hamilton Beach Coffee Maker has a rotating base for easy and fast filling. The flexible brewing options give you alternatives. You can choose from 1 to 4 cups, bold and regular. The programmable clock and automatic pause and serve allow you pour out a cup of coffee during the brewing process without a single overflow. 5. BUNN GRW Drip Coffee Maker Velocity Brew 10-Cup Home Coffee Brewer. The BUNN Coffee Maker brews 4 to 10 cups only in 3 minutes. It has an internal stainless steel hot water tank that keeps water heated to optimal brewing temperatures of 200 degrees Fahrenheit. 4. Mr. Coffee Drip Coffee Maker 4-cup programmable coffee makers. Mr. Coffee 4-cup programmable coffee maker, as its name suggests, it brews 4 cups of fresh and sweet coffee. The coffee maker of this type has a lift and clean filter basket for quick and easy cleaning. The dual water window allows you watch as you fill to avoid overflows. 3. Pour over coffee maker set /3 drip coffee makers cups, 14 /400 ml. Coffee Maker by Coffeemaker is the easiest way to provide you with an exceptional, delicious coffee taste every time. It saves time and has a reusable steel cone filter. The fact that they are reusable, they spare you the extra expense and protect the environment too from pollution. 2. Drip Coffee Maker Cuisinart DCC 3214 cup glass carafe with stainless steel. Introducing a state-of-the-art technology, Cuisinart carries the day. It's the best drip coffee maker in the market and gives impressive results. If you are looking for a drip coffee maker that combines quality and performance, you need to try it out. 1. Cuisinart Drip Coffee Maker SS15 12-cup coffee maker and single. The Cuisinart type of drip coffee maker comes with 12 Cuban pesos glass carafe. Also, it has BPA-free and stainless steel handle. The brew strength control requires you to select bold for stronger quality coffee flavor. It has a reusable filter cup and a compatible K-cup.
Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.